Welcome to day 74 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a win and it was a really high time frame one, and that's something that I usually don't do. And the reasons why I entered were in the weekly I made this equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low. It went into the golden zone, and there was also this daily order block right here, as you can see. And so I entered on a breaker structure in the 30 minutes. This candle, as you can clearly see. My first TP was at this area of liquidity, my second at the beginning of this daily fair value gap, and the last take profit at the beginning of the daily order block. All take profits were hit, so let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was 2 wins and 1 loss, and reasons why I entered were this daily order block right here, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, and I entered on a break structure in the 30 minutes, but I entered really on a really late break structure because I just fast forwarded and then I noticed the equilibrium. And so usually I probably would have entered on this breakup structure, stop loss below the golden zone with a little breathing room. Then I would have gotten stopped out, so maybe it was even good that I entered pretty late. So I entered right here. My stop loss was at the low of the daily order block, and my take profits were number one, this volume area of the daily consolidation, as you can see right here. My second TP was at the swing, at the high of the consolidation. And my last trade was at the swing high of the whole equilibrium. And for that trade, I moved my stop loss below this area of liquidity. Probably should have moved my stop loss to the break even, but I didn't because I was greedy as fuck. And I shouldn't have entered actually for this trade because it was also greedy as fuck. This also matches up with the AMD model again, consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. And then, and then the next cycle. And yeah, the last take profit was just really greedy as hell. And of course, what I learned from this is obviously to be less greedy or try to be not greedy at all. And so let's just see how the last trade goes. And the last trade of today's episode was another win, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low, daily fair value gap right here, daily order block, but a really huge one, and I entered inside of the golden zone on a break structure in the 30 minutes, which was right here exactly. On this break structure I entered. Stop loss was really well set. I set it like above this little area of liquidity with a little breathing room, and my take profits were this area of liquidity and also this area of liquidity, so the swing low. Both take profits were hit, and my stop loss, I think I would have gotten stopped out had I like not moved my stop loss, because at first I was considering above like moving my stop loss to this area, give it a little bit of breathing room above the golden zone. But then I just saw this huge wick. I knew that there was a little area of liquidity made right there, and that's why I moved my stop loss to this area, which was a good idea. And then right here, price reversed. Before taking out my second TP, I moved my stop loss to the break even just to be sure, and then once again, and I thought that I would for sure get a break even and not 2 wins right here. But yeah, today was a pretty good session once again, and we'll see you in the next one.